In my entire career of 7 years in corporate sector, I haven't upskilled anything. My managers, my leads, everyone discussing about this AI thing. So I need to upskill in AI.
Sometimes learning the right skill at the right time to have a complete change in the direction of your career.
Joining BetaNext program, 9 rupees ka workshop. Is this gonna be any scam? He has automated one dashboard within 5 to 10 minutes. It will take 1 or 2 days actually. I'm very excited when the session's gonna come. Like I was waiting for every weekend. Giving one prompt which makes automation with 100% accuracy. Mind blown. I have submitted this idea in my organization. I got 70% hike.
Hello, welcome. Sometimes all it takes learning the right skill at the right time to have a complete change in the direction of your career. So today we have one such person who has a new career. His name is Naveen. So Naveen here has chosen to learn upskill in AI through BetaNext, and the results speak for themselves. So let's hear it from Naveen. We are celebrating his success story of him getting a 70% hike with a new job and a completely different lifestyle. Okay. So good morning, Naveen. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good too. So guys, let's hear it from Naveen about his journey. Let's see how the journey unfolded, what he learned, and how come he has such a great career today. Yes, Naveen. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah, myself Naveen. I have overall 6 years of experience into US insurance. I've been working for underwriting. I am supporting for US clients. So basically, that's the thing about me. And I got 70% hike with the help of BetaNext. What is meant to me? Yeah, I feel very thankful for the BetaNext for guiding me and providing me such cases where I have to upskill myself. So I thank to BetaNext.
Thank you. So Naveen, let's start from the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see what your career looked like before, what you used to work as, and let's look at the transition now. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So can you please tell me about where you used to work before, about your past career experiences?
Yeah, I have completed my graduation at 2019. So I have joined one of the organization here, HGS, like Hinduja Global Solutions. So I started my career over there for US insurance only. I worked for 2.5 years. After that, I joined for one of the another organization. It's called Allstate. It's also basically the same domain like US insurance. I'm currently working there itself as of now. Every time I used to think like coming every day and working the same doesn't matter. So we need to upskill, we need to learn something. Every day in my mind, it's been running. I need to learn something new. I have researched all the things, which is the best platform for my career growth. Then I choose the BetaNext platform.
So, but why AI? Why did you choose that you wanted to upskill in AI?
Present situation and
Oh.
present technologies, AI is the future.
Okay.
Upcoming future. In my present organization, monthly meetings like MBR meetings used to happen. In that, my managers, my leads, everyone were discussing about this AI things. AI is gonna come, it's gonna automate your work. So you need to be upskilled. If you learn AI, no one can automate you. The people who doesn't use AI, the people get terminated. Like AI will terminate. So I thought I need to upskill in AI. So I
So
choose an
AI
this
became the new norm for your everyday
yeah,
survival.
yeah.
Right. Great. So Naveen, you told me that you took up BetaNext, right? When you first thought that I have to upskill in AI, you reached out to BetaNext. So how did you hear about BetaNext? Where did you hear it about from?
Yeah, I have done a lot of research through some platforms like Instagram, YouTube. While scrolling the reels, I got one BetaNext reel, 9 rupees ka workshop. So I felt like, is this any scam? So a lot of things had run in my mind. So we'll give a try. 9 rupees only, right? So nothing gonna go from my pocket. So I have paid that 9 rupees and I have nominated for the workshop. And I have joined that workshop. When I joined that workshop, I got some knowledge like BetaNext, Aman Saurao, some Aditya Kachave, they have joined and they have told how this AI gonna be in the future, how you gonna use in your work, day-to-day work life. So I got very fascinated. So and I thought like I took 10 to 15 minutes. Then I joined BetaNext.
Right. So you're telling me the ads in the workshop really helped you. Right. So that's great. So you must have also come across multiple other platforms, right? Like BetaNext, you have other ads who are the same providers,
Yeah.
the similar kind of content. Why did you choose BetaNext?
I have come across the success stories of the BetaNext people
Mhm.
from the ads from the YouTube. So even on the workshop, they have showed me the success stories of the people. These people got this much hike. One guy, he came to the workshop and he spoke his success story. Even I felt like even we are at the same stage. Why can't we take?
Correct.
So I trusted that BetaNext. The people who has taken that sessions made me inspired.
Okay.
So I have
So,
chosen this platform.
Great, you are one of the success story today.
Yeah.
I hope your story inspires a lot more
Yeah.
other people. I think you really manifested hard to me.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
on
thank
that.
you once again.
Yeah. So let's get into the details of what you learned in BetaNext workshop. What did you pay for? What did they deliver?
Actually, I was thinking before joining BetaNext, what course I need to take. A lot of things run in my mind. Which course? Python. I am from non-IT background actually. So I thought like, why can't I move to IT? Learning some AI
Okay.
tools like Python, coding like that. In this BetaNext program, I come across the people who non-IT coding, he doesn't know anything. So they'll help me to choose that domain as well. I go moving into from non-IT to IT, right? So I preferred this BetaNext, all the programs, whichever the sessions I had learned. Now I know the things like how to automate the things, how to run the code without writing any manual code, how to automate the things using
Right.
N8 and apps. We have multiple apps, right? So I come across resume building, how to build the resume, how to apply for the jobs. Mainly, I need to mention one special person from BetaNext team. Her name is like Disha. She's one of the trainer. She used to take the sessions regarding resume building, job descriptions, how we need to make the resume as per that job description. Before that, I used to apply for a lot of companies. I did not get any response from the on the
Right.
portals. So after attending her sessions, I came across, so as per the job description only, we need to build the resume. Yeah,
Correct.
with the ATS keywords. So
Correct.
I started building that. I started applying to the different company portals. One day I got the call like, your resume has been matched, so we'll be taking up the interview. Before scheduling and manager round, they'll set up the description. What is what is this job is hired for? What are you hired for? So based on that job description, I took that job description into ChatGPT. I gave that job description and asked for the interview preparation questions as well. ChatGPT everything gave me the answers I have prepared before attending the final manager round. It helped me a lot.
Okay.
So I was very confident before attending that manager round. So
Great.
I feel very thanks to the BetaNext team.
So you're telling me that, just other than the AI workshop, the BetaNext team also helped you with the post math, like getting a job before your interviews. Because I have seen a lot of workshops that they say that they deliver workshops, they teach you a skill, and that's the end of it, right? But unlike that, BetaNext also helped you with your interviews.
Apart from that, at my current organization, with the help of BetaNext, these weekly programs, I have learned many skills. There are many tools like Notebook LM. This is one of the best tools. Before that, I don't know anything about AI tools. See, this Notebook LM is one of the best tool I have heard about. If you have any job description with 100 or 200 or 1000 pages, you can put that job description or PDF, anything into that Notebook LM. It will analyze the things. You can talk to that.
Yes, like a bot.
Yeah, I have created one agent as well. I have given that my job role, my what are the things, the stuff. It will answer book itself. It will be easy for the people, right? So I have submitted this idea to at my current organization as well. It helped me a lot. My managers even they felt very happy, and I have learned many things like how to draft an email using Chat GPTs. If you want to draft an email, how much time you will take? Like 5 to 10 minutes.
Right.
Now with the help of AI, you can draft an email within 1
1
minute.
minute.
Before
Yes.
1 minute, you can draft it. See how the things are happening.
More efficient.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're telling me that BetaNext, the tools and the skills that you learned in BetaNext has helped you with your current company,
Yeah.
also with the company that you're going to join.
Yes,
right?
of course.
So have you received any certifications from BetaNext?
Yeah, like in BetaNext program, we have 3 phases. So I have completed already 2 phases. I have got that certificate as well, like AI generative completion certificate. So I have included this all these certificates in my resume as well. When I attended this manager round, it helped me a lot. They asked me, apart from your professional experience, what have you learned? Tell me, what have you upskilled yourself? So I have lot of things in my mind which BetaNext has helped me in upskilling. So I have given entire stuff.
So while you were in the workshop, were you given any assignments or projects that you did which are helping currently in your job?
Yeah, of course. Like how this program works, I'll explain you. If you attend one session, it will be like max 3 to 3.5 hours. First,
Okay.
1.5 hour will be like theory. We need to focus on the theory. Next, 1.5 hour, like 1 hour, it will be practical. So after theory part, we used to do manual projects like we use Na10. So using Na10, I have created a 2 to 3 projects. I have automated. I have created one project called weather report. I have given that prompt and I have created a workflow. Every day it used to send me the weather report. Before joining BetaNext, I don't have any LinkedIn profile itself. Yeah, after joining BetaNext, I have optimized my LinkedIn profile into a professional way. So I got even calls from many recruiters. And I have automated. I don't have any Excel knowledge as well. Like I don't remember much these formulas. Excel also we have one AI.
Okay.
AI Copilot like that. Yeah, each and every formula you'll get that. All this stuff I have learned from the BetaNext.
Okay, Naveen. So, in case someone wants to join BetaNext, okay. So, when you enroll yourself to a BetaNext workshop, what are their deliverables? Can you please tell me something about it?
Actually, they are gonna give a lot of bonuses like some premium AI tools. You will be having with free access. Yeah, you will be having the free access up to some 3 months to 4 months like that. Up to your course completion date. So like that, and they'll provide a lot of additional courses as well. You have like one portal for BetaNext. That portal is for lifetime. When you join the BetaNext, each and every session will get recorded, and after if you have missed any sessions as well, you will get that pre-recording sessions, and you will be provided some workbooks as well. In that portal, we will be having one job finder, so you can register through that. You can submit your resume. You can fill the mandatory fields whichever they have provided. You will get the calls as well. They have a tie up with some companies. So if your profile match to that, you'll get the calls. Yeah, these also they are providing. I felt very amazing. Even I applied there as well.
The money and the time and your effort that you invested in BetaNext, do you think it is worth it?
Yeah, absolutely. Before joining BetaNext program and when I completed that workshop, I thought, is this gonna be any scam fraud? I got feared. Then I went through a lot of reviews about the BetaNext. So I went through LinkedIn as well. I have reviewed the BetaNext founders Aditya Kachave and Aditya Goenka. So I have seen their shorts as well, their podcasts as well. All the stuff I have covered before taking up the course. So initially I was fearing. Then initially it gave me a lot of confidence while learning these AI tools and getting implemented in my daily work and in my current organization. So I felt very enthusiastic while attending that sessions. Yeah, I'm very excited when these sessions gonna come. Like as I'm in working profession, I've taken this course on weekends, so I was waiting for their sessions. Yeah, so you can understand how these sessions helped me. Yeah,
How engaging they
yeah.
were, yes. So, what was your most favorite part about the workshop?
Like their way of teaching.
Okay.
Yeah, the trainers and their way of approaching to me, and that's the thing I like.
They took it like it's their own job and
Yeah,
not just
even I felt like the trainers were they are working professionals from Microsoft. They come and they spend their time in training us. So it made me very confident. Like yeah.
So, what was your expectation post the completion? Did you expect that you will get such a good hike? Were you looking at this number or were you just looking for a job change? What was your expectation?
In my entire career of 7 years in corporate sector, I haven't upskilled anything. Like beyond my work, I haven't upskilled anything. So every time I used to think, why can't we take up any course? After these long years, when I was scrolling reels, I got this BetaNext workshop reel. So why can't we take this? So let's try this. We can't lose anything in 9 rupees. So I have nominated for the BetaNext workshop. I have joined the workshop, and after joining the workshop, Aman Saurav, he has taken that workshop. His way of speaking, his way of explaining the things about AI tools. He has taken that workshop on Power BI. He has automated one dashboard within 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, to build that dashboard, it will take 1 or 2 days actually. So it made me feel like, oh yeah, he's gonna make a huge turnover in coming days. So why can't we take this opportunity?
So, now assume that a fellow friend is asking, Hey Naveen, you took a BetaNext workshop. Did it help you? Do you want me to take it? What would you tell to that guy or to anyone or to the people watching this podcast? What is your feedback or what is your take on BetaNext?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll refer my friends to join these BetaNext programs because, I'll tell them my success story, how BetaNext helped me, and if they have any doubts related to scam like this, will this helpful to my career growth? So I'll explain them in a better way. I have taken BetaNext course from 4 months back. How it has helped me in these 4 months, what are the things I have learned, what are the upskills I have done. For anyone who is watching this, I can tell you one thing. See, when I have taken up the BetaNext course, I have seen a lot of success stories. Then I have taken this course, now I am sitting here, so this will give you the answer. Yeah, if you want to upskill yourself, get a job change, or you need to learn something, tools related to AI and coding without writing any manual scripts, anything, if you are a zero knowledge person, BetaNext is one of the best platform I can suggest you. Yeah, thank you.
So this is the success story of Naveen that has secured a 70% salary hike, opportunity to become a team lead, 1 lakh bonus, and a complete shift in his career. You can be Naveen, you guys. So all you have to do is just enroll BetaNext workshop without second thoughts. Tomorrow we will be here looking at your success story. Thank you.